Hello and welcome to Tuesday Seeds. Today we'll be highlighting a video from Arlena Brunskill, and she'll be introducing us to the topic of food safety. So please stay tuned.
Hello. So I am on the farm, Solutions Holistic Urban Farm, and I have been feeding chickens, feeding my guard dog, actually cleaning their water bowls, refreshing them. They had some algae on them, and then I actually planted some seeds. And now I'm doing a very, very important task before I take a break and drink some water and have a snack, washing my hands extensively. You think about all the cooties that I have. Let's get a fresh brush here. Woo! Under my nails and on my hands. It is gross. You hear me? Gross. So let's take a moment and we're going to talk about the importance of farm food safety. Not just food handling, no, farmers' food safety. There's a lot more going on the farm. Far more microorganisms, pathogens, germs, and habits. Habits that you have that can really, really make someone very sick and pass a lot of germs. Let's talk about it. So I have been washing my hands for well over the 2-minute minimal time to clean your hands. I got me a fresh brush here, and I need to just make sure I got this gunk, soil, and unseen microorganisms from under my fingernails. This is going in the sink. Can't use that again. I'm going to clean it out, and I'm going to rinse very well here. I am at my portable hand washing station, and of course wearing gloves and using sanitizer could be a tool, but we'll talk about that more, why it's not always the best tool. Yes, my hands are dry, so I'm going to go ahead and get a napkin. This is hands free, dry them up, and we're going to talk about farm food safety. Let's go. There are a few reasons why farm food safety is exceptionally important. First and foremost, we want to remain healthy. The farmer needs to remain healthy, and we come in contact with animals and also produce that goes back out into the community. That's the goal, right? So we want to make sure that everyone is safe, and that means that we should consider our practices, our handling, and the different things that we're exposed to. So washing my hands is just a start. Let's talk about some of the experiences so you can see why farm food safety is really, really important.